Ta-da! Hey guys, I'm Ashley Hendershot. So we are at Vultures Knobs today, and we're going to be giving you guys a little tour, kind of talk you through some of the features, and then hopefully you guys can see the whole trail and then come ride. So I am riding an S-Works Epic. This is a bike that Ashland Bike Company helped me custom build, so that was super fun. Practice cranks, SRAM Eagle setup with the GX wireless system, a specialized Mimic saddle. I swear by these saddles, ladies. Got a race face dropper on there. Got the Garmin Rally XC power meter pedals so I can track my power. Let's go!
Why is it so cold? Here's where we go, drop her down. That tree was close. Oh, that rock, you just like bounced it off your wheel. Oh, my hands are so cold.
So the first mile, as you guys can see, is lots of cornering, some flowy parts, a couple jumps in there, so a lot of fun. Okay, so this part is going to be climb just a little bit. It's not too bad of a climb, and then we're going to drop down into the part where it's cradle. So that's probably one of the fun features here at the knob. Super fun, drops you down and then shoots you back up so you can get a little air at the end.
I took away all your momentum. Drop it down, send it deep. This should not be here.
I was trying to avoid the rock, and then I also concentrated on how much I suck at that turn. Oh, it's a tree!
I need a chainsaw for that one. I heard there was a board missing on the cradle too, but I think it's okay.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, that's all right. It'll be all right. Ready? Ooh, it's not Rocket City. Ah, you punk. Didn't mess me up. All right, gotta do it again. Go down and do it again. Between that Texas shaped rock and this round one, and then start turning in and get both wheels inside these two rocks on the right here. Try going a harder gear. Like one harder. Click it, one harder. There you go. Better. Power, 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 power. There, she got it. Okay, here's another spot where you need a little more power. Not a granny gear. The granny gear makes your back tire spin out. There's too much torque. So if you gear it harder, it decreases the amount of torque on that back wheel. This can keep it gripping.
So we're at mile 2.5, and we are getting ready to go downhill again. So some flowy turns, some little drops that are super fun, and then we'll end up down in the power line, which is probably one of the fastest parts of the trail. It's just, you just fly down it. So it's kind of, you go down, you go back up the other side, kind of got a little bit of corners through some trees, and then you'll drop down a hill again, and then you got a mild climb kind of back up.
That's a good drop there. Woo! Come on. That's the over-under. Woo!
Alright, so we are at the halfway point at the knob, and we're getting ready to go down Cheater's Hill, which is just a super fun downhill. But then of course for every down you gotta come back up. So you'll climb back up, then you've got the swinging bridge, and then Maysville. And then you'll go into Maysville, and then you'll hit the furnace, which is super fun, but on a really hot day you understand why they call it the furnace.
Yeah. Why is it called Cheater's Hill, do you know?
I have no idea.
Because if you go right on this road, you can avoid all that nonsense.
Oh. Man, let's go right.
Yeah, no. Sorry. All right, and there's also a little bonus line. I'll try to hit that while you're going the normal way. All right, I'm gonna hit the bonus line. Hopefully I don't die. Ah, get in. Woo! So did you do the bonus line?
No.
Yeah, it's sketchy as heck. Dave Vesper showed me that, which should tell you something. This hill always seems to break me in the race. Fast. Go faster on that. The more speed you have, the easier that is. Maysville. Sign fell down. Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! Tight and twisty corners is why they call this Maysville. a couple little tight obstacles here that you hit before you go out to the furnace. So we'll try to point those out. First one is kind of these switchbacks right here. And so you have to hit this next little part with a little speed to get up a bit, get up over it. You know, climb. And then a little technical up. And then this step up here. Which, going fast, pull up the front end, and then get the back wheel up once your front wheel's on top. Ashley did it masterfully. So the furnace comes at you late in the lap, in the last 2/3. Kind of marks the beginning of the end of the loop. And the neat thing about the furnace is that you get to do it twice. Usually once you get done with the furnace, you've conquered most of the physical parts of the trail. There's one more little climb. Not super great visibility, but in the summer they keep it mowed a little closer. It's still very early spring. Big ass rock. Lots of loose rocks on this descent, so be careful. And there's some little kickers hiding in the grass. That's weird. I don't know what they're doing there. This used to be the route. Your favorite, mud. I think Ashley likes to eat mud for breakfast. She puts it in her oatmeal. So the story behind the knob is it used to be a dump. So that's why you see so much trash out on the trail in certain areas. In this area, there used to be so much like small pieces of glass that would sparkle, but it's kind of gotten weathered now. All right, this is like the last real climb right here. And it's not too much of a climb, but it's technical, like everything here. So it takes a lot of power and a lot of precision, which is what Ashley's really good at. Whew! Almost didn't make it. Back tire broke free. Do you ever take your bike off any steep jumps? Ashley, it'd be nice if you could pull me into town. I put my rollerblades on. Gotta get kind of skinny on these trees here. This is a part that always sucks if you're new to the knob, because you have to come out here and you think you're done. Nope, almost. All right, and that's it. Come up high on this one. Come inside here. Then outside. I take a few pedal strokes, then drop the seat before the corner. Something we'll point out at these signs, they have white arrows that will take you back to the parking lot. So if you get a flat or you're just tuckered out and you need to go back, you can follow the arrows. And for the most part, you'll be on a fire road. Muscle me out of there. I see how it is. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're super grippy. Yeah. And they're fast.
I'm really like confident in it too.
Yeah.
Like, with my cornering.
Yep. Oh, because they hold.
Yeah.
And there's no like weird transition where like in the middle you don't have any grip.
Yeah.
I feel like for courses like Mohican and the knob where it's kind of technical, you want that grip. Let me get my microscope so I can see your wheelie. Oh, so good. Yeah, but I get closer because there's a lot of background noise.
All right, guys, so hopefully that tour was super helpful. Hopefully you're more confident when coming into the knob, especially if it's your first time. Maybe some tips, tricks that we talked about along the way will help you get a little bit faster on your lap time, and we hope to see you guys out at the races. So watch for those Vultures Knob Grassroots Series races, and hope to see you there. Bye, guys.
Let's do a mud check. Yeah, it's pretty muddy. There's some spots. Some of that's left over from Mohican.
Mud check. Woo! Seat check.